On the anniversary of the Fiat 500's debut, Fiat returns to its roots. At the historic Mirafiori plant in Turin, a new production line is unveiled, dedicated to the hybrid version of its most iconic model. This marks the next step in making the 500 more accessible, blending its electric technology with classic design and heritage. Production begins this November, with a goal of delivering 5,000 units by year-end. This initiative is key to revitalizing the Turin plant, aiming to boost output by an additional 100,000 units each year. The 500 Hybrid will be offered in 3 configurations: the classic hatchback, compact and ideal for city driving; the innovative 3+1, with a rear-hinged third door on the passenger side for easier rear seat access; and the distinctive Cabrio, the only convertible in its class, made for open-air driving. Under the hood is a 1-liter, 3-cylinder FireFly mild hybrid engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 12-volt system improves fuel efficiency and delivers a smooth, enjoyable drive. It's a proven powertrain, balanced for performance, low consumption, and affordable ownership. Inside, the 500 Hybrid features advanced connectivity and intuitive technology. The Uconnect 5 system includes a customizable 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen, alongside a 7-inch digital display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, offering seamless smartphone integration without distractions. The car is also equipped with a full suite of driver assistance features designed for city life. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition, all working together to support a safer, more comfortable drive.